sitting at 39.50. Let's get a good 5-minute opening range. You know what I mean? Let's get a good 5-minute opening range, see if we get something to trade off of. We may not even get it. We might just dump. And I'd love to get short that 39.74. It's, look at that. Look at the math. 39.74 is what the weekly low is, calculation. That's where we opened. Badass. Badass. I had to get short right out the gate. I got a starter going here, which is kind of dangerous, but we need a bounce to I wasn't gonna, you know, all my executions got to be on time, so forth. My system gives me an entry in the first 2 minutes if I see what I'm looking for. And we got a nice bounce back up to the high 50s, and I got an entry. I got 1 R out of the money. Now every execution from here, the 2 minutes is up, right? It's time exactamundo. I'm not letting this dump get away. And I did pay myself, but I only paid 2 contracts. That's all I did was pay myself 2 contracts. So I've just reduced my risk a little bit. Paid myself, got $11 or something out of them. I don't know, quite a bit. Either way, you know, I'm in it to win it here. So I got my second strike on at the money. Got a little further out of the money on this one. Those are RTZ. I want to hang on to those things all day long, all day long. I added a couple of the ones that I sold. I added back, and I turned around and got my second strike on right here. So this one I want to manage a little different. I'm going to start managing multiple strikes here. So I'm up $5 on these things right here. I'm going to take a little profits. Ripping faces off. $6, $7, $8. Come on, man. Let's go. I'd like to see low a day here to take some profits on this. But the black magics, I got my finger on the trigger, but I got 2 minutes left, right? As long as we break this black magic, it's not a target. Come on down here. If we can close this 500, it's not a target. So anyway, just the way it's acting, I got to sell a couple here. They are trying to hold this thing. There it goes. Come on, man. Give me that sell. There it is. Dump, baby. Dump. I'm going to give me down to 2 contracts so I can add another full R. So I got, you know, the combo on there, and I'm just split my risk across 2 strikes. So I got full 1 R here, and I'm going to take some off into 3,900. In fact, I'll probably take 1 strike completely off and then, you know, use the other one. I got deep in the money on that last one, so I probably won't sell much of that. I want to cash settle that sucker. I got 39.50s that, I don't know. They're damn near trading at intrinsic value right now, you know, not quite, but close.
Clear filled.
Ooh, just got paid.